fridge I picked up off Marketplace. I'm just going to use it for the drawers in it. A couple of mine were broken. Apparently it's tripping the breaker, so picked it up. It's just down the road, so it wasn't too far or anything. Anyway, me being me, thought I'd have a look. It's not a nice fridge, it's in good nick. Everything's clean and everything. It's not very old, I don't reckon. Anyway, it's tripping the breaker. They just moved in the garage, so I'm tripping the breaker. I thought I'd have a look, me being me. I think I might have had a bit of a whinny. It's easy fix. A mousey going across the circuit board. And that's what's been shorting around, I reckon. Hopefully I'll move that out, clean that up, and Bob's your freaking uncle. Well, Uncle Scott is my uncle, but Bob's my grandfather. But yeah, there you go. Pretty easy one, hopefully. Circuit board, mouse out of it. A bit of a clean up, looks alright, nothing's blowing. Put the box back in. Let's kick her in the guts and see what happens. Moment of truth. Still got a good fucking score. Oh. 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 It's all working. It's come on. Might be alright here. Okay. We're at a Winnie. Precious buzzing. She's humming along. Fucking sweet. I think I fixed it. Woohoo! Gotta love that. Got to love that. Shit, looks alright. Got a light in there. A little bit of a quick scrub, but that's pretty flush. Look at that. Oh wow, cool. That's me. Alright. Oh wow, that's awesome. I like that. It's got a good bloody control in it, better than the other one. I like it. Wow. Yeah, beautiful. I think I'm out of win, fellas. There you go. Free off Marketplace. A little mouse in the circuit board, tripping the breaker. Dead fried mouse. It's alright, eh? Mint. Oh yeah. The drawers in it. Beautiful. Oh shit. Might have to get a hand and put it in some. Drag the other old Westinghouse out right there. It's had a defrost freaking issue for a long time that I haven't fixed because I can't be bothered. I keep defrosting it, which is a pain. I think this one's going to be a bloody better fridge. It's a lot newer. The other one I've got done alright, but this thing's mint. Look how clean it is. I haven't got any dents in it. I've just got one little one in the side. Who gives a shit? Awesome! That's fucking damn beautiful. Sweet! Woohoo! What do you think, mister? Good? Good fridge?